Look, let's face it, starting YouTube, taking content serious, it's a lot of work, it's stressful, it's intimidating, it's demotivating. It basically feels like a humiliation ritual, right? And the thing is, if you can get through all of that noise, you are going to be rewarded and you are going to change your life for basically ever. We live in a time where you can upload stuff on the internet and change your whole, family's life. And I am fortunate enough to have been able to have the skill set to basically get my YouTube monetized. So I want to just basically break down everything that came with getting my YouTube monetized and all of the blessings that came with that journey. So that way you can see some light at the end of the tunnel, know that what you're going through is worth it. And I am going to give you sauce on how to do each and every step. You know what I mean? I'm not going to just give you a list of a bunch of nonsense. I'm going to actually give you guys sauce so you can apply it, so you can take your content creation journey a little bit more serious, because I believe in you. This isn't by accident. People are changing their lives strategically and by having a plan and monetizing their passion, and that's the world that we live in. And hopefully you came across this video because you're just searching up how to start your YouTube, how to take content serious, blah blah. I've been doing this. I'm old. I'm 33. I know I don't look like it. Says every 33-year-old, but I've been doing this since I was 12 years old, and I have a lot of experience in the game, and I've just been through it all. So I just want to give you sauce throughout the video. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. You know what I mean? So I did make a list of how my life did change, and the first one is, when you take your YouTube journey serious, you're going to end up getting monetized. I know that it sounds like an uphill battle, and I'm going to be honest, it is. You have to get like 4,000 watch hours and I believe 1,000 subscribers. It's really tough because you have to do that for long form, right? And the best way you're going to do that is to figure out or decide, not even figure out, it's just making that choice of what community you want to provide value to. And then you have to use tools like Answer the Public, Google Trends, things of that nature to figure out what's being asked at a really high rate in your niche, so you can then go ahead and make content answering those questions. You end up popping up in search, kind of like hopefully what happened with this video with you. You were searching up how to start a YouTube channel, all that good stuff, and you came across this video. That's kind of the best way you're going to be able to get that first jump of monetization, so you can then further your creativity and explore other avenues as far as your community that you're building. You know what I mean? But you work hard, you're gonna get your YouTube monetized, and that obviously comes with getting paid every month. I've had this YouTube account monetized for about 2 years now, give or take a few months, and I get paid every single month. It's not like the craziest amount in the world, but it does cover some things in my daily life, and I'll get into how other ways I monetize my YouTube in a couple minutes, so just stick throughout this video. But yeah, just work hard, stay consistent. And I know this sounds like everything that everybody's saying, but stay consistent with yourself, because you have to increase that frequency. You have to align yourself with these situations, and the only way to do that is to raise your frequency. You know what I mean? So that's the first one. Let's see. The second one is I built a community online and in person. One thing I always wanted was a community. I wanted to be able to create art and have people view it, love it, appreciate it, and just be in this cycle of appreciation, between me and my community. And by, providing value to a very specific community, I have built now a whole bunch of people that we take care of each other. If they need anything from me, I'm always there for them through my content. I'm always putting myself out there, making myself vulnerable, so that way they see that they're not alone. And I've also created my community in person. Let's face it, if you have followers, if you have engagement, people are going to want to be around you. We're in 2026. Like, let's face it, just it is what it is. People care about followers. They're going to judge you. It almost doesn't even matter how dope you are in person, because if you don't have the engagement online to show, people might not care. And I'm not saying that's right. I'm just saying we're in 2026, and that's kind of how people treat everything nowadays. You know what I mean? And because I do have my YouTube that is at 80,000 subscribers almost. Well, at the time of this recording, it says 79.8 or something like that. So, we're on our way to 100K, but with those 80K comes people wanting to work with me. I pick up certain gigs. I am a videographer. People hire me, and having my, accounts as social proof that I know what I'm doing helps me book a lot more stuff. And it's just having that community, you know what I mean? So if you take YouTube serious, that is something that's going to happen. And it's a feeling that I want everybody to feel, and it's possible for anybody. Like, if I could do it, trust me, you can do it. All I did was just lock in for a couple years and didn't look up. I stayed tunnel vision, and I just didn't get distracted. I know having distractions is kind of common, so I don't blame yourself if you do end up getting distracted. I think that was me, but I did learn from my mistakes and stuff. The third one is my content creation skill is the best it's ever been. So I did videography for like 10 years. I knew how to film, edit videos, whatever. But taking my YouTube serious and actually creating my own videos has increased my content creation skills like at a crazy amount. I've created thousands of videos, I feel like, at this point, a bunch of tutorials. I've figured out my blueprint, my own style, the way that I like to engage with my community. And that was basically all done because I have increased my content creation skills. And now, not only do I know how to film and edit, I know how to build community and create content that is actually engaging and actually providing value to the person whose day I want to change. And that literally is from making my videos a little bit better every single time. And if you do a couple hundred videos, eventually you're going to be really freaking good. And you're probably thinking, damn, hundreds of videos? Yeah, hundreds of videos. That's why you better choose a topic that you love and something that you can never stop talking about. Like, for me, I love content. That's why stuff like this is easy. I can just make a video talking about why I'm grateful for taking YouTube serious, So the next thing on my list, if you take YouTube serious, you are going to get brand deals, and brand deals from the biggest companies that you probably actually spend money on. As I get more engagement, build my community bigger, I do attract bigger brands and more brand deals. And that's because these brands need us creators. We have influence. We have a community that trusts us because we've provided so much value that if we put certain things in front of them, they're going to be more prone to trust and actually make that purchase. And that is extremely enticing to these brands. They want that community. They want that. They want you. They want to be able to get in front of your audience. And these brands, I'm telling you, are actively looking for creators just like you to put their product in your hands so they can, get you free product, get you paid, get you commission. And it's just really, really dope. And, everybody wants brand deals, So if you just take your YouTube serious, I promise you won't even have to reach out to any brands. These brands are going to be reaching out to you, and I promise. And you don't need a million followers. Like, they work with people from like between 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers to like 10,000 subscribers, because those people with those amount of subscribers still have communities that trust them, So just be prepared to land all those brand deals that you ever wanted. The next one is you're going to realize that you are making excuses this whole time by taking content serious, because once you are in a rhythm and you realize you're being consistent, you're going to look back at those times you're making excuses and realize you should have never been making excuses. That should have never happened, because I now hold myself accountable to show up for my community. I find myself not giving myself excuses, because the second I do, there's nobody there to tell me that was bad, or I don't have a boss. I am my own content creator. So if I don't show up, I'm not going to write me up. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so you just gotta like lock in, and I know it's tough, that's why I'm making this video, and if you have any struggles on your content journey, just leave it in the comment section. Just share your experience, share if this video is helpful, inspiring you, hopefully, because I'm in the process of building my dream life, and I am living my dream life because I'm building it. That's part of the dream, and I just want you to feel the same way. The last one is my business now has organic funnels. So when you have a product or a service and you're paying for ads, you're basically paying to play. If you have organic content, you are getting leads for basically free. And if you're making SEO, search engine optimized content that is ranking in search, you basically have like a billboard that's going to last you for 5+ years, if you're making evergreen content. And if you find those pieces of content that work, then you can now throw ads on it. But now your business doesn't have to rely on paying for ads. Your content that people are watching that is building trust with them is now going to be your funnel. You know what I mean? And I can go deeper on all these subjects. I just kind of wanted to give you like a little bit of an insight on my content creation journey with YouTube, because taking YouTube serious, it really did change my life, and I'm just really grateful. And this video is just my way of giving back to you guys, because I know I was searching a bunch of videos trying to figure out how to do all this, and any bit of inspiration helped me, so that's why I did this. And that's pretty much it. I have nothing to sell you. I don't have anything for you to buy. I really just wanted to make this for you. But definitely subscribe. If this was helpful, leave it down in the comments. I'm on my way to 100,000. I have about a little over 20,000 subscribers left to go. I am grinding for this YouTube plaque, and I'm not gonna stop. Like, I'm literally like, I have to get this. Like, little kid me is so excited that I know I'm about to get this YouTube plaque, and it's because of you, literally because of you. So smash that subscribe. Let me know what video you want to see next, and I'll see you next video.